Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, share, comment. Very nice comments anyways. Subscribe to my page. That's awesome. If you got any questions for me or anything, just hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair in the Facebook. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Can't break what's already broken. So what we got today is a 2010 Ford Expedition Max. We would turn when the vehicle was running, and we'd turn the blower motor on high. It would run for a couple moments and then it would shut off. You might have been able to catch that. And then in a couple moments later, it'll come back on. This was kind of odd because when I would turn the engine off with the key on, it would run all the time. I thought that was really weird. I'm like, how can it be the blower motor resistor if the engine's off and the key is on? I don't understand how that could be, but for whatever reason, I think what we had was a defective blower motor resistor. And I'm gonna set the camera down, pull this thing out. It gets a little bit warm, these normally do. And I'll plug in my new Motorcraft blower motor resistor right there. Plug it in, start it up, ramp it up to high. And now before, it would only run for a couple seconds before it would shut off. So I'm quite certain this repaired the problem. It's kind of odd. I think that this was just a more inexpensive one. I spent about $55, $60 on the new Motorcraft one, which probably is about double the price of the original one. Hopefully this video is helpful. Hopefully you're having the same problem. Another common problem with these is the wiring harness. Now you can pick up this Motorcraft wiring harness. On the back of the package it talks about you can just crimp this in because it uses a 14 gauge wires, but we got it soldered and shrink wrapped and stuff like that. If you're having a problem, generally these go bad first. I'm just gonna say that. And then the blower motor resistor goes bad second. Generally when you have a speed problem, it doesn't matter if you're working on a Chevy, Dodge, whatever. It's almost always the blower motor resistor. Like if it works on one speed but not another speed, very, very typical that's blower motor resistor. These things pull a lot of amperage to run the blower motors. So check all that stuff out first. If this video is helpful, please like, share, comment, most of all subscribe. Remember, don't be the next to them, be the first to you. Have a great day. Please subscribe.